Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I've got an unboxing of the Wild Hoss. It is a 125 scale Ford Bronco. I'm not really sure what year Bronco it is. It looks like 80s kind of body style. I'll look more in depth in here in a minute. Looks like you can build it that way, which is kind of cool looking. This is kit number AMT 1304-12, and this kit was released 4/10 of 2024. Alrighty, let me go ahead and get right into this one. Go ahead and get her cut open. Alrighty, looks like it's molded in white. There's some chrome. Here's the body. I'll go ahead and do that first. Alright. Decent. Good feel to it. Bronco Ranger, it says right there on the cowl panel there. Radiator core support is built in. That's good. Inner wheel tubs, wheel things there. This piece here looks like it has to be removed along with this. Pretty decent looking. The lines for the doors look pretty good. Yeah, I like it. Alright. Here's the interior tub, which has a bit of a thinner feel to it. A few things molded in. Door panels already in there. Console. A spot for the brake pedal, it looks like, down there. Sorry. And the back, or the bottom, has molded in like floorboard look to it. Okay. Here's chrome right on top. Probably just this one chrome tree in there. I've never built this kit before, so I'm really looking forward to it. There's the grill. Some decent looking wheels. A couple of mirrors for the sides. And your front and rear bumper. And this looks like an antenna. Go ahead and put that back in the bag. Alright, and here we have the glass. Look like the side glass. And then the back, or these are the sides, this is the back. Here's the front windshield. Some marker lights. And some red tail lenses. Go ahead and leave those in the bag. Here's the tires. They look decent. Good old 4x4 tires they look like. Oh yeah, real nice. These are very nice, guys. Firestones. All terrain TC, it says. Here's the tread pattern. Without my finger in the way, here's the tread pattern. We'll have to cut those little deals out there. But they're nice. They're not real soft feeling, but they are like hollow on the inside. But they're a little bit on the stiffer side. Not that that matters, really. Alrighty. Yeah. This looks like the roof section and some wheel backings. Yep, here's the roof section. Kind of cool. Maybe I'll build it this way and then use this roof for something else. You never know. We'll see what comes along. And let's see, here we have the firewall. Real basic. There it goes in that way. Your master cylinder will go in there. Battery. Windshield washer solvent bottle. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a starter. It's item number 6. We'll look that up when we get inside. Along with either 66 or 99. I'm not sure yet on that one. So I'll go ahead and write those down. 66, 99, one or the other. And what was that first one? Number 6 or 9. That's funny. 6 or 9. Okay. Here we have a fuel tank. A couple of coil springs. Exhaust with the converter and the muffler all tied into one. Some seat backs for the front seat. And this, I imagine, is the back of the back seat. We'll find out for sure in a second. Here's the hood. Decent looking hood. A little bit of detail on the back side. That's pretty nice. Inner and outer pieces of the tailgate. The wheel backings. Some molded in white wheels for a different option. I kind of like those better than the chrome ones. Let's see here. Yeah, they're different style wheel between the chrome and the white. I really like the white ones. I may just paint them up. Those look sharp. Of course, you get yours. You build it however you want. Here's the other two. And these here are part 10 and 11. Not really sure. They might be front suspension pieces or something. I'll look those up too. 10 and 11. Actually, they might be rear suspension. I don't know. I'll write it down. Like I said, I've never built this kit before, so I really don't know. Here are the axle halves. A little drive shaft. Stabilizer bar, or sway bar, whatever you want to call that. Put that one there. And the last bag of molded in white parts. Imagine the engine and things are in here. Yep, there it is right on top. Here's the transmission. The heads. Or actually, this is the engine halves. And then the heads are here. Here's one exhaust manifold. Some valve covers. Air cleaner. Spare tire cover. And then part 55, we're going to look that one up too. Not sure what that is. Here's the frame with the fuel tank already built in. So you get a little bonus tank, or it's a cover. I don't know. The frame is very nice. Good quality plastic feel to it. Alrighty. Here are the front and rear seats. And the backs are missing, so those other parts go on there. Here's another axle. There's some leaf springs. Another drive shaft. Another sway bar. Some shocks. Your brake booster and master cylinder. The dashboard. Decent detail. Kind of nice. And we have a little CB radio, it looks like, right there. A shifter. A couple little braces. And two of these things. What are they? Parts 26 and 27. I'm going to head and write that down too. Why not? Here we have two different options for steering wheels. That's very cool. One extra for the parts bin. That'd be neat. Looks like roll bar pieces. 5-bladed fan, which is very nice looking. I like that fan. That's sharp. Steering column. Another one of those, just like 26 and 27. This is number 7. Actually, that is a parking brake. I can see it now. That would go, up on the console, I think, is where it mounts. Here we have the single carb intake manifold. Fan belt and pulleys. Water pump and fuel pump. Water pump cover. Fuel pump. Timing chain cover, that thing. Carburetor. Part of the transfer case for the transmission. Little distributor. This is the mounting bracket for the spare tire. Oil pan with the oil filter attached to it. Roll bar for the front, or crash bar, push bar, whatever you want to call that, with lights, it looks like. Some more steering components. Alrighty. Well, that's it for molded in white parts and chrome parts. We also have 2 metal axles. That's cool. And decals and instructions, and we'll be out of here, guys. This will be a quick one today. Unless, of course, I can't find all the numbers of the parts I'm looking for, so I'll spend some extra time doing that. There's some wild-looking decals if you choose to use those. 4x4. That's funny. I don't know if you can read it. It's funny. Freewheeling Ford. And 4x4 again. These are Minnesota plates on top, and I can't make out the bottom one. Let me grab my magnifying glass here. Can't make it out. It's almost like it's in binary code, 0s and 1s up on the plates right here. So I would say it's definitely from the 80s. Okay. And here are the instructions. Kind of a simple sheet here. Yeah, compared to the past few Revell kits that were like encyclopedias, this here is one piece of paper just folded over. I can open it. That's it. So we'll start out with some tips for modeling, and then put our engine together. Now this instructions, the kit said it came out in 24, but the instructions say 22 on it, so it's been reissued a few times. That's fine. And we have, see if there's any of those numbers on there that I didn't recognize. Okay, 55 is the other exhaust manifold. You have one that looks like that, and the other one just looks like that, and it has the little pipe that goes up to the bottom of your air cleaner. And we have some interior making things. 26 and 27 look like they are part of the hinge for the tailgate, but they don't look like they are operational. They just go on there. So your tailgate's going to attach to that. Most likely it'll just glue in and won't open up. Putting your wheels together. 7 and 8 are front suspension pieces. Okay, I didn't call those out. Here's 10 and 11. Those are front, not really torsion bars, but they're to hold the front axle in. I don't know what you would call them. Okay, here's 9. It looks like the steering gearbox. 6. Okay. Piece of there for the exhaust. Okay. Locate metal axles and 2 assembled front tires. Okay. Rear tires. 65 is that. Okay. Glass, battery, that thing. Okay. Boom, boom. And put your decals on. 12 steps if you count putting the decals on. But I did not see 66 or 99, so I'm going to, real quick, guys, go through here and try and find that one. If you see it, shout it out. Yell at your screen and let me know. There it is. 66 is part of the transfer case. So I knew that, though, so maybe 99 was an actual part number. I don't think so, though. Where's the suspension? Right here. 10 and 11. Those were 10 and 11, so I got those. And 55. Across that one off. 26 and 27. There's 28. Well, I don't see those parts, guys. What I'll do is I'll be building this one soon. So if I run across the parts that I couldn't identify, I'll let you know in the build video. So already, stay tuned for that. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and have yourselves a fantastic day. And Model Car Guy Rich out. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.